Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? I hope everyone is doing fine. Today is such a beautiful sunny day. So I have some thyme that I purchased from a store. This is English thyme right here. And I have some parsley. No, celery. I have some celery right here. So what I'm going to do now, this is my container. So I want to show you guys that you don't have to have the big backyard and all this kind of stuff to plant your own little garden. You could plant herbs, you could plant tomato, lettuce. I mean, you could do a lot. So this is the container right here, and I'm going to plant this, and I'm going to keep this on my deck in my backyard. So from out the kitchen, I can just come and pick and season fresh. Okay, I can also use them and grind them and make seasoning. I blend them up and make seasoning for your meat or whatever you decide to do. So you can, little container like this, you can plant your own garden. Okay, you ain't have to have as much land as you see. First, you want to take it out like this. You don't want to damage the root at all. You don't want to do that. So I take it out and I'm going to dig a hole right here. Right here. And I'm going to place it right there. And now I'm going to cover it back. So you see, this thyme going to be right here, growing. So every time you cooking, you need some thyme. You can come and break a piece. You can even blend this with honey. This honey and ginger. This with honey and ginger help clean your lungs. Okay? Very important this time. Okay, so now I have the celery. So I plant the thyme here. And guess what? This is manure that I get from trees. Rotten trees, I scrape out the inside, and this is what I get. So I'm planting them. I'm not even using dirt. I'm not even using dirt. This is manure from rotten trees. Okay. So now I'm going to plant the celery. Sorry for that. You take them out. You don't want to make the root. You see the root already start. You see the root already start pushing out. You don't want to damage that root. So I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna place it right there. I'm gonna put maybe 2 in this one. I'm gonna tin it and I'm gonna place a next one right here. So we're gonna have both of them right there. I'm not gonna plant more than 2. Maybe I should. I don't know. I'm thinking. No, this is just good. I don't want them too thick because I want them to spread. So guys, check this out. You see how beautiful this is? This is what you can do. You ain't have to have a bunch of space in your backyard. You could just have containers. Look how beautiful this is looking. Look how beautiful this is looking. So that's all I'm trying to do, guys. I'm just trying to show you guys ways that you could plant your garden. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.